Form 4, Add Maths, Past Years, SPM. SPM 2010, Topic, Progression. Step 1, Collect. It is given that 1, x squared, x4, x power 6 is a geometric progression, GP. And the sum to infinity is 3. So what I did here, I've collected, we are given a GP, the terms of 1, x squared, x power 4, x power 6, and continues. And we are given S infinity, this is the symbol for S infinity equals 3. We look at what is the question asking. Part A, find the common ratio in terms of x. Common ratio, So I put question mark. Common ratio is symbol R. As I always say, start from what they ask. They are asking R, I start with the formula R. For GP, it is Tn over Tn minus 1. So if this is n, this is n minus 1. I choose T2. Therefore, 2 minus 1 is 1 over T1. So our R is T2 over T1. Go back. We have, this is our T1. Okay. And this is our T2, our second term. So all we do is substitute that the T2 is x squared. Over here, x squared. And our T1 is 1. So therefore, x squared over 1, of course, is x squared. So our answer, R equals to x squared. So we got our first answer. We look at the second part. Part B. Find the positive value of x. Okay, part B, I put question mark, the value of x, which must be positive. Always start from what they ask. They are asking x. I will go to the GP involving x. And this GP involving x, it is given that S infinity is 3. So I start S infinity 3. And this S infinity, the formula is A over 1 minus R. The formula for S infinity is A over 1 minus R. Our A, which is, of course, the A is T1. Our A is T1. Okay. And we already know our T1, which is 1. And then, so I've substitute here 1. 1 minus R. So 1 minus our R in part A is x squared. So this would be 1 minus x squared. 1 over, the A is 1. Now all we have to do is simplify. I put brackets because got 2 terms. I transfer to the right hand side. I will have now 3 times brackets 1 minus x squared. On the left hand side is still 1. And here the 3, of course, I expand. 3 times 1 is 3. And 3 times negative x squared would be negative 3x squared. We collect our x. It is negative on the right hand side. I transfer to the left hand side positive 3x squared. And the one left hand, I bring it to the right hand, which will become negative. So I have 3 minus 1, which is of course 2. So 3x squared equals to 2. I will transfer the 3 to the right hand side. Multiply, become divide. So 2 over 3 is our x squared. Now I transfer the power to the right hand side. Square transfer becomes square root. Remember, the square root of any number is positive and negative, but they are asking only positive value. So which means, use your calculator, we will get that the square root of 2 over 3, 0.8165. So from calculator, so our x, finally we got our answer. Thank you. I see you on the next lesson.